Here's a concise study guide for Azure Virtual Machines, VMs. Azure Virtual Machines, VMs Study Guide. Azure Virtual Machines, VMs, are on-demand, scalable computing resources in Microsoft Azure, offering infrastructure as a service, IaaS. VMs enable running Windows or Linux OS without the need to manage physical hardware. They are widely used for development, testing, running applications, hosting websites, and extending on-premises infrastructure. Key components. 1. VM size and type. Determines CPU, RAM, storage, and network capacity. Sizes include general purpose, compute optimized, memory optimized, and GPU VMs. 2. Operating systems. Supports Windows Server, Ubuntu, Red Hat, CentOS, and others. Pre-configured images are available from Azure Marketplace. 3. Storage. Azure Managed Disks, Standard HDD, Standard SSD, Premium SSD, Ultra Disk, store OS and data. OS disk is required. Data disks are optional. 4. Networking. VMs connect via virtual network. VNet can use public IP, private IP, and network security groups, NSGs, for traffic control. Azure Load Balancer supports scaling. 5. Availability. Availability sets, availability zones, and Azure Scale sets ensure high availability and redundancy. 6. VM deployment options. Classic deployment, ASM legacy model, rarely used. Resource Manager, ARM Modern, template-driven deployment, supports automation and RBAC. 7. Management and monitoring. Azure Portal, CLI, PowerShell, and Azure Monitor for performance metrics, diagnostics, and alerts. 8. Security, NSGs, Azure Defender, Disk Encryption, BitLocker for Windows, dmcrypt for Linux, and Key Vault integration. 9. Backup and recovery. Azure Backup, Snapshot, and Azure Site Recovery for disaster recovery. 10. Scaling and automation. VM scale sets for horizontal scaling, auto shutdown, and Azure automation for cost optimization. 11. Pricing. Based on VM size, OS, storage type, and region. Reserved instances offer cost savings for long-term usage. Key concepts. IaaS.